Hi. Today, I'm going to show you how to use adverbs effectively in setting descriptions. Follow the examples carefully. In some parts, you will also hear me in the background. As you know, for a great setting description, you must draw a good picture in your reader's mind. There are many ways to do this. Today, we will focus on adverbs and adverbial phrases to show how you can achieve this. First of all, we need a model text to work with. Please read the passage carefully. We will do some editing now. However, we will still leave the adverbs and adverbials out until the end. Read the passage again. You will notice that it has drastically improved, but adding adverbs later will still make a difference. Remember to pause the video here, while you read the edited version. Now, let's add some adverbs and adverbial phrases to define our adjectives and verbs. Adverbs do not describe verbs only. You can also describe adjectives by adding an adverb such as extremely before them, as in extremely dangerous. You can also use adverbs in sentences to provide more information about how, where, when and why something happens. The new text with adverbs and adverbial phrases is appearing now. Remember to pause the video to read it carefully. It has all the new words in a different color. See if you can work out the effect they create in the sentences that they are added to. Can you work out what extra information they provide? Why not try writing a similar text using a similar strategy? Hello. I hope that you found some helpful ideas in this video. Feel free to let us know in the comments. Remember to check our other videos and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you next time.